Okay, so the last few times we've been coming to LA, I've seen this little ledge on the way up, and it's so buttery, it's super waxed up, and I've never skated this thing before, but I've definitely seen some clips on it. Oh, it's even like bondoed right here. Oh, this thing is so nice. It's like slappyable, but you can obviously ollie into it as well. I mean, I think there's some options right now. That's all I'm gonna say. I don't have too much time. We're literally about to drive home to San Diego after this, but I was like, yo, like toots, I need to get a few tricks on this thing. So we'll see what we can do. I'm gonna warm up, and I mean, the spot looks already super clean, so I don't even think I need to even wax it, but of course I am. But yeah, I'm hyped right now. It's kind of a hectic spot to warm up on because there's like nothing here to really skate. I tried to skate flat ground and I pretty much just like ate shit skating flat ground and like getting hit in pebbles, so like I'm just gonna try to skate this.
It's so loud. Whoa. Was that wax?
Yeah, I brought it.
Oh.
That's my wax. You don't like loud noises or anything, like this is probably the worst spot to skate because there's a car honking almost like every 10 seconds.
And there's a helicopter not that long ago.
There's seriously so many distractions, it's kind of crazy, I can't lie. Ooh, it's slippery. It's getting in my way.
The friggin' bag.
I've moved it twice. I'm not even joking.
It looks like a skater lost their belt.
Okay, this thing is really slick. It's like really nice.
Oh. There's fireworks going on behind you.
Can't make it up.
Oh my god.
It's like pretty fast. Just to test it. Test it. Okay.
Now for real, for real.
Okay, ready? Oh, I'm going so fast. That was so fast.
Hey, that's how my tuts gets it done.
Was that sketch? That felt sketch.
One more for good measure. Ah, that would have been so nice.
Oh yeah.
The clip was perfect. That's my tuts. Nice.
A little sticky on the nose. They'll thank me later. They'll thank me later. I mean, okay. You can feel that. I was like, maybe just try something first. Kind of works. Is it sketchier to slap or ollie into? I don't know. That's what I'm trying to decide on. For the next one.
Oh no, oh no. No skateboarding the door, you know?
Oh. I'm going so fast.
Nice. That looks nice.
That slid really good.
Oh, oh, oh. Ah!
think that one was good.
That was good.
Was that good?
Yeah.
I hope so.
Good job.
Thanks.
So proud of you.
I know, I want to try nollie back flip. I'm kind of scared. Do this one.
Like it was nothing. It's a little above regulation.
Yeah, it's a little high. That angle I didn't get into. But I can't decide if I should slap into it or like ollie. That's where I'm stuck. I was like, I hope she gets out of the way. I don't even know what wax this is, but it's like
Ooh. Ah.
so hyped.
Good job.
We repositioned, you know, new angle. Maybe I'll try a few more nollie flips out, and then I do want to try a nollie backflip to cane, but we'll see. I might be pushing it today. I don't know, we'll see. So happy I just did that, you have no idea.
Yay! You just needed a kiss from your
I know.
nuts.
You're not wrong, that's what I needed. Oh my god. That was kind of sketchy.
Yeah, it was.
Yeah, that might be cool. I want to try the nollie back flip one again, but I am getting tired. Maybe I'll give it like
2 more tries.
okay. Alright, I think I'm gonna wrap this one. It's kind of hard to land this trick because like this thing is here. I keep kind of like running into that. And my legs are low-key pretty tired. And I see traffic kind of already. Like, I mean, it's getting better, but it's not down there. At least people are getting on the freeway easy, but I gotta drive like 2 hours still. So anyways, thanks for joining me on this quick little random LA session. I didn't even think I was gonna skate today. I wish I did because I would have brought another t-shirt with me. This thing is very schwitzy and wet. It's like I just jumped out of the pool right now. But yeah, anyways, I can't forget my water bottle. That's it. Peace.